What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our tutorial. Today we are going to continue our project on the React Native mobile application course. Once again, if you have not yet subscribed, do so by hitting the bell icon, like the video as well, and you can share as well. With that being said, let's get started. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to set up the dependencies of the React Native course. We learned how to install the Node.js. We also proceed to start our project by running expo init and name our project as my first app. If you are not having access to the video, I'll link that in the description below. So these are the files and folders you will see after the installation is done. The expo folder, the asset folder, which allows you to add files like text, fonts, music, image, and videos. The node model folder is more or less like a complex or simple functionality organized in a simple or multiple JavaScript files, which can be reused throughout the node application. We also have the git ignore file. It tells the Git which files to ignore when committing a project to the GitHub repository. We also have the bubble.config for converting new language to the old, the package.json for adding dependencies or packages to your project. The app.js file is a file we'll be working on, and when we open the app.js file, it consists of multiple lines of code. Don't worry, I'll teach you each and every line of code.